Hey, welcome to Preston Ford's Ford the Frontier video series. I'm Greg Roman, Bronco specialist from the Preston Ford showroom, here with one of my teammates.
Michael Mitchell, Preston Ford showroom employee and a Bronco enthusiast.
So this is going to be a really fun series. We're going to show you some of the things that the new Ford Bronco can do and a lot of fun things that you might want to explore when you're enjoying the outdoors and getting out into the wild.
Absolutely. And speaking of which, it is an absolutely gorgeous day out here in Tuckahoe State Park. I'm thinking that if we are going to be taking this thing off-road as it is designed to do, we should probably take the doors off, really get that off-road experience going.
That's a great idea, Michael. Yeah, it's a nice summer afternoon. We've got a soft top Badlands Bronco here. Super exciting, and we're going to show you how to open the thing up. So this is the 2021 Ford Bronco. This is a Badlands edition in Cyber Orange, equipped with the soft top and a lot of cool upgrades. We're going to show you just how easy it is to get this thing open air. All right, so this vehicle opens up a lot of different ways. The first thing we're going to do is unlock the doors and open the windows, which I can do from the remote. So if I hold down the unlock button on the third press, drop all four windows. This is a really great feature, especially if the vehicle's been sitting out in the sun. Let all the hot air out before you walk up to the vehicle. Now flipping back the soft top is super easy. There are two little latches to flip down inside, and then really one hand operation. So the next step is going to be to take the doors off. So with the included toolkit from the Bronco, I'm just going to remove the door bolts. Okay. So the bolts secure the door in place, but you'll see that it's still sitting here securely with the bolts removed. Now we can put the storage bags onto the doors and lift them right off. So these included heavy-duty bags are designed to protect the doors when you do take them off, and we can slide that right onto the door first. Michael, if you want to help with the back end, and I'll just guide the front on.
Absolutely.
So with the door bag in place, grabbing the included handles, you can do this with one person, but it's nice to have a partner. Simple as that. The door just lifts away. So I can set this down while we remove the second door, and then we'll stow them both in the back.
There's the second bag for you.
Okay, open up. Unzip. We're going to slide this right on. So bags on, door lifts, and simple enough. You can put this down gently on its end. Zip, zip. Lift up the top just this far. And then these bags just stack right in. You'll see that these helpful diagrams on the bags actually show you which order to put the doors in, and all four doors can be stowed in the back of this. So you can leave the house in this Bronco totally sealed up, and while you're out on the road, open up the roof, take all the doors off while you're out on the road. Simple as that, we're ready to go. Michael, I think we should talk to people about taking this thing off-road.
Absolutely, yeah.
So the Bronco is one of the most capable vehicles in the world that you can actually take off-road and through some pretty serious conditions in all different kinds of terrain. Of course, the GOAT modes, the GOAT designation, goes over any type of terrain.
You know it.
But when you are going off pavement, it's very important to know the capabilities of your vehicle and some basic safety and preparedness. So of course, driving with the doors off, we're going to be seat belted in, and safety is all very important. There are a bunch of different ways that you can use this vehicle, whether you're going on sand or rocky trails through deep mud, and each situation is going to have different challenges.
Naturally.
Off-road in really loose conditions, like on a sandy beach, you're going to want to let some air out of your tires. So having the capability to do that and having a pump with you so that you can air back up for pavement might be important. When you are going through serious terrain and loose terrain at low speed, having less tire pressure can give the tires more grab and give you better traction. It's also very important to know where you're going, to be familiar with the area, to go with a friend. Don't be alone out in a dangerous place, and make sure that people know where you are.
Absolutely. Buddy system is crucial, as with most things in life.
When you're going through serious terrain, it's actually a good idea to have someone get out of the vehicle and act as a spotter for you so that they can see what you can't see. They can see the rocks and the terrain underneath the vehicle and coach you on whether to bring the wheels a little bit left or right to get through those sticky spots. This Bronco is going to be able to get up over rocks and through rivers and through some pretty deep stuff. So Michael and I are ready to get off-road and have some fun.
Absolutely.
We might hit a trail, we might head to the beach. We want to thank you for joining us on the first episode of Ford the Frontier, the new video series from Preston Ford, featuring the Ford Bronco and all the great things we can do in the outdoors in this area.
Absolutely, yeah. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the video. Helps us out a lot. And we're very much looking forward to seeing you next time when we come back and start taking this through some of the things that we can do with it and exploring a little bit more of what we can do out here in this beautiful, beautiful state park.
Yeah. If you've enjoyed this video, drop a comment or a question in the comments. We do read the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in one of these vehicles or just learning more about what Preston does or what we can do for you, drop us a line. Thanks a lot. We're going to go have some fun, and we wish you the best. Spreading the love from Tuckahoe State Park, Michael Mitchell and Greg Roman of Preston Ford. Thank you.